Porvorim Flyover construction is in full progress. I am living from Mapsa towards Panjim, and huge cranes have been brought, huge corers which go down deep. One column is come up, two columns have come up in this area outside Mapsa near Girim. 3 columns have come very fast. Progress is good in this area so far. Four columns. They work day and night in 3 shifts. Amazing work. All imported technology which is used here in this construction. Soil is silty, muddy, because this was all the area which was lying below the sea 20,000 years back. So they will get lot of mud, lot of dust you can see in front. Heavy dust and mud.